Alright, y'all, check this. So I'm out here doing my thing, whatnot, you know what I'm saying? This morning, it's Friday. It's Friday. This morning, I, you know what I'm saying, brought all my stuff down to the room. I tell you what, last night I was out here talking on the phone to about 10 o'clock. All my stuff was here, everything was straight. You know what I'm saying? So I went back up to the room with the sleep, whoop, you know what I'm saying? Come back down this morning to put my stuff up in the truck because I knew I was planning on going home this evening. And man, I come out here and look what they done did to me. Yeah, somebody done did me like that. Yeah, my mama. It ain't nothing, you know what I'm talking about. Don't too much of nothing stop my train, you know what I'm saying? I'm staying positive about it, whoop to whoop. We gonna keep it moving, you know what I'm saying? So, let's get it. It's been a couple of hours, day 2 times, like 30 minutes away. He got a U-Haul trailer. He got a U-Haul trailer and a little old rim that'll fit my truck, and we gonna drive it on that trailer and yank this mug on home. Whatever it costs, trailer and all that, I'm gonna just throw the cash back to 2 times, put them back on Florida, give them a little something just for helping me to come down here. And that's how we gonna do it like that. So I guess I'm starting out my weekend with a little adventure. Figured I'd bring y'all with me. We gonna make the best of it. I ain't tripping. So let's get it.
See the speaker, make the neighborhood jump. I told that hoe my life a movie. Yeah, the name ring bells. Got this shit off of the scale. Made my way out of the sale. Fuck the judge and 12. Tell the little bitch free tail. On my way to the M's. On my way to the spot. I got 200 shots if you fucking with and that's on my pops. On my way to the M's. On my way to the spot. I got 200 shots if you fucking with and that's on my pops. I'm finna stuff my name ringing bells. I apply all the best. You know I go up.
Yeah, that boy. Bathroom in there.
Alright, so this what we doing. Big boy square body, a little too big, so we had to finesse the U-Haul and extend the trailer.
Patty. Day 2 times to Kenny. Alright, look, tell them how we did. That's your idea.
Look,
tell them how we did.
Look what we doing. Jack it up on the frame, let the tire come off the ground and slide it in some. Just extend the trailer a little bit. We're gonna scrap it down real good. We're getting this thing back home to the jack.
Yeah.
Good and safe. We're gonna check out with that. We're gonna check it.
Alright, y'all, I made it home. Y'all see me and Dave. Well, you seen 2 times come help me get out that bind real quick. So I'm up early this morning. It's about around 8. I'm finna go to my shop. I'm finna pick up my stock set of wheels. That way everything will be equal around the truck. And yeah, as for today go, let's get these wheels put back on. Alright, y'all, so I bet I got one of my wheels at. I already got my other 3 right there. I don't remember what I did with my center caps. Matter of fact, I don't even remember what I did with my center caps. But yeah, I'm out here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But yeah. Y'all see what box it in, ain't it? Yeah, the body little box. That let you know it's been a while since I've been around here. Yeah. Alright, y'all, it's another day. I done changed gears. I'm out here in the Home Depot. I'm out here, I'm looking for aircraft remove, try to get this here. These wheels shined up, but I don't see none, so I'm gonna ask somebody do they got it. They don't, it's cool. Keep it moving. Probably go to Lowe's since it's right here up the street. They ain't got it. Guess I call it today and find something to do. So alright, so check it. They ain't have it in there. They had the same thing Home Depot had. Probably should have figured that, but man, I'm hungry, bruh. Real talk. I don't even want to look no more. I'm hungry, so I just like, man, look, if this mess supposed to be a paint thinner. Boy, I'm finna get, alright, check this out, let me even tell you this. So, I called AutoZone got it, but it's $14. So I said, God dog, I'm finna get this $4 thing of paint thinner. I'm gonna squirt it on these wheels and I'm gonna hope it works. $5 I can't lose, but I'm hungry. I wanna eat and go home, so I think on you don't even want to stay outside no more, but Yeah, man. So got that there. I'm gonna find me something to eat, and I guess I'll eat and let's see what they been talking about. So let's get it. Alright, so check this. Boy, that paint strip ain't worth nothing, you know what I'm talking about. So, you know what I'm saying, I couldn't find that aircraft cleaner. So, you know what I'm saying, I did a little digging. And this here gonna do the same thing. So I got that there. Got me some more rags. I needed some rags anyway. I ain't had no one. And this here paintbrush. And I'm finna take this here paintbrush, put this here gel on this here wheel. We gonna clean these wheels up. You see what I'm talking about? And then from there, I'm gonna wash this truck. We got me some tire shine, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, we finna see what's up, so let's get it time. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about. You see how shiny that is? Compared to that yellow mess? That mess working. It ain't even been sitting on there that long. Yeah. And that's what I end up with. Super clean, boy. Super clean, boy. That super granddaddy pack. Instead of using, I tell y'all what, instead of using that soap looking stuff I had, just go back and get the spray, bro. Get the spray. Let it sit there for a little bit. Get you a scraper to scrape off some of the stuff that won't come off if you're gonna do it at home. Really spray that mess on there while you at the car wash. Let it sit for a little bit at the car wash. And then, you know, spray it off. But I'm still working on that one, but matter of fact, let me show y'all.
Nigga think low. See, we tryna go global. If you in the way, you get rolled over. The chopper like ready can kill roaches. I'm down to earth, I got cold low. Spit heat to the mic, I need 4 low. I hit from the back, make it roll over. Yeah, so much money, I can make her dance. Her pussy get wet when she seen them bad. She started fuck with me, but got a man. She just need me when I'm on bad. Had to tell the people fuck. I don't fuck with these niggas. Bullshit get looked over, but they fucked up by you, don't support the city. Yeah, had to cut my little shawty out. All the big deal run them out. Put the dick, make it shut them out. More sucking than less talk.
So I know everybody gonna ask me, what's the plans now? What you gonna do next? All that. I posted on Instagram before I made the video, so a couple people already know. But for those who don't know, matter of fact, for everybody that's new, I ain't even addressed it yet. What up with y'all? On my mama. Yeah, what up with y'all? You know, it's your boy, Big Kenny, 5'7", you know what I'm talking about? Oh, boy, that was corny. I might cut that out. I'm probably gonna ride Lil Daddy. I had long-term plans for the truck that I ain't gonna tell y'all about just yet. But as for short-term goals, since I'm on little wheels now, probably go ahead, put some 3-inch keys in it. Yank that front end all the way up, then go get it aligned so it won't cost me extra. That's the only reason I wouldn't put keys on it at first. I had them big tires. I didn't want to pay extra to get it aligned. So it's too little to squat the rear end now. So probably have to wait to squat it again. Or either once I sell them other 3, take that money and go get another set just for now. But right now, you can look forward to some keys in that front end in the air. So we'll see how it go, but that's what I'm talking about for now. Really, man, only thing else I got to say, I'm probably gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here because I'm running out of daylight. I would do a beauty shoot, but I'm running out of daylight. I ain't gonna even do it like that there. So y'all already know how it go. Like, comment, subscribe, leave me some comments what you think about them folk taking my wheel. Matter of fact, leave some comments of what y'all want to see me do to the truck. And depending on what y'all talking about, I might do it. That's how I'm gonna get y'all involved like that. So y'all already know how it go. Like, comment, subscribe. Sure appreciate y'all stopping in, checking in with your boy.